Now we are running. Let's rock, let's rock.
The one moment when the doors are opening and the car comes out onto the stage. This is, of course, the favorite moment. You can touch it, you can feel it. It's a little bit like Christmas, and I'm 12 years old. The first time you pull the blanket away and then the whole thing is in the limelight. It's really emotional for me. Very often I look into the audience and watch the faces. And this is the most important as well. Some people say you never have the second chance to do the first impression. And there's a lot of truth about that. My name is Andreas Mindt. I'm running the Volkswagen design department. On the first day of the premiere, it's really amazing. It's always different places. The surrounding, the area is always different. For me, inspiration comes from everywhere. You know, it's music, it's architecture. When we start the process, we look into every corner. We have to jump as far as possible. You have to open your eyes in your everyday life, and there is beauty everywhere. But then, after a while, you have to focus and go down to one model and pull it through with the best quality. Core design vision for the T-Roc is this combination of everyday hero, you know, you can do everything, but then it's very sleek and it's very powerful at the same time. This is why the current car is so successful, and this car is even stronger. The interior is doing a big step into the future, so we get some new materials. There was a big collaboration developing these materials, and the result is really amazing. We are really heavily working for this moment to say, this is it now. This is how the car will look like. And then it's end of our work, and then we have to wait for the industrialization, which comes then the next 2 years. Never stand still, never think that you're finalized or finished. You always have to develop. There's always coming a new tool, a new method, or a new design direction, new inspiration. So never stop. And that is a glimpse into the future. We will go this path with a lot of projects from now on. And the T-Roc is the snowplow, if you want.